Hi, I'm Orman, and this is another 2-minute Tech Talk. Today we're going to take a look at the LBLA drone, which I think is a perfect starter drone. Okay, so here we have the drone, and it does not come with this piece of cardboard that I've put on it. And the reason I have this cardboard on it is because underneath of here is my FAA tag number so that everybody knows that this is my drone. Remember that you're commercially flying it if you make money off of this. So for example, if I put this on my YouTube channel where I get, where we have commercials and I'm getting paid because of that, then that would be now that this was commercial and not for hobby. So it's very, very weird. So just be careful. So it comes already set, ready to go. We have our little, so they just slide right in. You get an extra set of props. And again, the reason that I said that this is a good starter drone is because this actually works. It is maneuverable, it will hover in one spot, and you're in pretty decent shape. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. Okay, so here we have the controller itself. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that out, and we're supposed to go up and down. Okay, so now, if we did hit that takeoff button, it would start to take off. But the reason I turned it on is because it comes with a really interesting app called HFun, which is Have Fun. So now it's actually seeing from that camera. It actually has two cameras. It has one that will record. Let's just put that right there. So there's one that actually records and shows live flight. And then there's one on the bottom, and that helps keep it it helps it to figure out where it is as far as the ground is concerned. Now, you can actually fly it from here. I wouldn't suggest that, but you can actually fly it from here. And it has some rather interesting things. For example, now I'm taking a video, now I'm taking a picture. It actually also even has an option for you to try it with your Gear VR headset. I'm gonna try that one of these days. So basically, when I put this on, I'll be seeing as if I was flying from there. The remote will pull down, so you can actually put your phone in there and use it with that. Now, the buttons, you have a speed button, so you can actually change the speed. You have a return button, which everybody says, I think it means it returns to the factory in China where it was made, because you hit that and it just goes off, so you don't ever want to hit that. You have a takeoff button, you have your emergency stop, panic, kill switch, you have your camera start, video start, so even without that, if you want to just do that, but it will need to record on something because there's no SD card. There's a headless mode, which I find it easier to control in the headless mode. In the headless mode, it kind of goes by your orientation and not its, which I find it easier to use. And then it has a 3D roll. And they give me some extra props in case I bang into something, a little screwdriver to change them, a power cord. So let's go ahead and take a little quick flight. I have my lights blinking. I'm gonna go ahead and just drop that right beside me.
So that's it for the LBLA drone. If you're looking for a good starter drone for very little money, this is the drone I would suggest. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and as always, please check out our main channel, The High Tech Nomad. And until the next time, this is Orman signing out.